Hi everyone, today I am at another Showflat, but this is not just another Showflat itself. It is a Showflat of an iconic project. Looking at the model behind me, can you tell which project it is? That's right, I'm actually at the project One Pearl Bank. It is an iconic project right in the Outram Chinatown district. Why do I say that it is iconic? We must understand a bit about the predecessor of One Pearl Bank. It was formerly Pearl Bank Apartments. So the architecture of Pearl Bank Apartments was very unique. It is in the shape of a horseshoe. So the architect for One Pearl Bank actually paid tribute to that old design and came out with two magnificent 39-story towers, gently curving so that each unit will either have a park view or the city view. Now let's talk about the location of One Pearl Bank. It is situated in an excellent location, well connected to all parts of the island. Why do I say that? We always think of having access to MRT or even the expressway if you drive. But over here, you have the best of both worlds. You actually get a 3-line interchange itself. You have your East-West line, you have your Thomson East Coast line, as well as you have your North-East line. And on top of that, you have expressway like your CTE, AYE, MCE, and ECP. So connectivity to all parts of the island, whether you want to get to Sentosa, it's just one stop away to Vivo, or you want to go to the city, it's all within a 1 to 2 stations away. That is how convenient living at One Pearl Bank is. Let me present to you 3 unique features of One Pearl Bank. First is the Sky Allotment Gardens. This is probably the first Sky Allotment Gardens in a residential project in the world. Why do I say so? You can actually have your own gardening plot of land within the development itself, so you can try your green finger, see what you can grow out of it, whether it's herbs, vegetables, or even fruits. The second unique feature about One Pearl Bank is the Sky Oculus. The Sky Oculus sits atop the 2 magnificent 39-story towers. It's like a sky bridge linking the 2 towers together so that residents can have a 360-degree panoramic view of the entire Singapore. The third unique feature I want to bring to you today is the Renovation Zero concept. So what is this Renovation Zero concept? It means that you can actually move into the unit with minimum renovation. Most of the things are already done for you. So whether you are the investor, you are the owner-occupier, you just need to bring your luggage and move in. That's so simple. And look, it also comes with a swivel table, so you can make use of it, have your meal here right away. You may be wondering, with interest rate increasing every month, where does that leave you? Will you be able to afford a unit at One Pearl Bank? Come, let me show you. If you are taking a $1 million loan at 1.7% interest for 30 years, for the first stage of progressive payment, the 5%, so that works out to an estimated $237 per month. If let's say the interest increased to 3%, your progressive payment for the first stage will go up to $281. This is an increase of less than $50, which is still pretty manageable in our view. So if you're in the market looking for an iconic project to buy, look no further than One Pearl Bank. The project is well connected. It has 3 MRT line interchange, as well as proximity to 4 major expressways. Furthermore, there are 3 unique features at this project that cannot be found in other projects island-wide. You have the Sky Allotment Gardens, you have a Sky Oculus, as well as you have the Renovation Zero concept. Contact your preferred Huttons Associate today to arrange a viewing.